이제 알아채 줄래 나의 마음속에 흘려한 맘 그대 떠오르리야 우리 함께
Lounge food. Morning. We're here. Go to Korea. Time. Let's go. We are boarded na and check. It's 12 a.m. in the morning. So, 3 hours and 40 minutes yung flight. So, I'll see you there.
Sa mga panahon.
We are now in Korea. Kakatapos lang namin mag-immigration and 1 hour and 30 minutes. Sobrang daming tao. Then 4 counter lang yung available. So, sobrang tagal. So, mag-clean na tayo ng luggage. Here, we need to transfer for baggage cleaning. Here.
We purchased yung limousine bus ticket for 17,000 won each going to Myeongdong na to.
We are in Korea! So, we are waiting sa limousine bus. Ito yung ticket. So, currently, 6 degrees yung lamig ngayon.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
We are here na sa limousine bus. So, pupunta na kami directly sa Myeongdong. Doon na yung drop-off namin malapit sa hotel. Guys, we got off na. So, we're gonna walk right here. A nice looking...
It's the hotel. Tara! It's so nice. Room is so nice. This 3,500 per night. May lutuan, may laundry. And here's the bedroom. It's a microwave. So nice.
This is so K-drama coded. Yung may sensor yung...
But
What's that?
it's a
Oh, my K-drama
with a big
life.
freezer, guys. Oh my god.
Kasi
So
gusto kong
nice.
before heading to Korea, you have to say...
Cute. Nice. Anyway, guys, if pupunta kayong Seoul, dapat meron kayong adapter. So, dito sa hotel na to, ganito yung adapter nila. Ganon, bilog. So, let us some charger. This day one, we're gonna go sa Myeongdong. We're gonna get some tea money sa GS25 muna. We're gonna get some tea money. Some tea card. This 198 pesos. Wala pang laman. So, withdraw muna tayo sa use go time. Nababalik na agad kami. Withdraw pa na kami. Grabe. Naliligaw kami, pero at least sa Korea. Just simply walking here in Seoul and look. Kami nakakainit. Eat here. Wait lang. Medyo mas mura siya and malaki yung serving. So let's go there. There na this. We got some side dish. Korean, number 1 Korean chicken galbi. We're gonna ride the subway for the first time kasi nga nag-walk lang kami kanina. So, here it is. Anyway, papunta tayo sa Insadong tsaka Isondo.
Yes.
So,
Cafe and shopping center din.
okay, let's go there. There, Hagdan.
Yeah, nice.
We are here na sa Iksongdong. Let's try the salt on coffee. So, here's the match.
Okay, sa'yo yan.
Na after Insadong tsaka Iksondong, dumiretso kami sa hotel, 1 hour rest, dali yan sa Myeongdong Night Market. So it's 10 degrees Celsius and sobrang lamig. We are here na sa Myeongdong. Ang daming pagkain. We can't miss it. Look, ang dami! We are here na sa night market. Pagod na ako. First day pa lang. Sakit na ng parang last day na yung pagod. Nakatawa lang yan.
Aray ko. Ang sad na likod ko. Aray.
Matagal mo ba plan lahat ng pintuan dito?
Wala lang magpatay ko na kapag pinto niya eh.